Hey, hey guys, we're gonna play some more Offroad Outlaws, and we're gonna play on a custom map, which you can come play with me on March 7th, 2020, 3:10 afternoon on Offroad Outlaws. Hold on real quick. Yep. Here's my Mustang. Here's my Coda. Here's my El Camino. My Nova. And my bus. Oops. But yeah. We're gonna play around and we're basically gonna build a Chevy. Basically a Chevy truck. The square body. Here. If you want to copy this, you can. It's only up to you if you want to. So front bumper, we're gonna leave alone. Fender, leave. No. I'm gonna put this because this truck is gonna be squatting a lot. Front light, winch, there. I like to keep there. That's all. Paint, just a black. Oops. Wrong button. speed lock. Black. Okay, there. Tires. Just one back. One back. And you put it black like this, then you can put the transparent and put it at red. You can basically put it at any color you want. You apply, makes this cool looking design that I like. Go to tuning. Change suspension. Boom, boom, boom. Get this. Go to tune suspension. There. Go to here, which is wheels and tires, I think. There. Rims all the way. Radius. To 0.9. Then you go to here, basically the same thing. Okay. And if you go here, that one, start, super slow. There, if you put it at 2, and go full speed. Basically, it makes it to where your truck has very soft suspension. Nah. there. Play. Okay. I'm going to my favorites. Okay, it's called Drag Race Park by Cutlass Gaming, member of Mac Medium Shade Drifters. There. Okay. This is what I'm gonna be on March 27, 2020. 3:10 in the afternoon. Wait. Tomorrow. This is what I'm going to be on tomorrow. So, yeah. I'm going to be drag racing. And we can do some off-roading. And if you want to, you can bring a mud truck, because there is mud. There's mud right over here. Basically right over here. There is some mud. And my favorite spot. Also, I will be recording, so I'll have the chat open like this. You can say anything you want. If you read my name, that's my YouTube channel's name. You all see why this is my favorite spot. Because if you go very fast with a very soft truck suspension, or a very hard suspension, just as long as it's high, it's like a jump. Then if you want to go off-roading, you can go to the side. And I'm not going to spoil the, if you can figure out this little thing, it starts with M. And so M, the first word starts with M and ends with R. And then another word starts with J and ends with M. And the last word starts with A and ends with A. And basically, it's over. If I don't have to hit a tree, I can show you. where we'll be probably meeting up at is right over there, but we'll first meet up here. Basically, in front over that hill is where we're going to be going. Since I don't want to spoil it, that's all we have today. And bye bye.